Alright guys, so we just finished the unboxing of this MDJ on-demand grinder, which turned out actually to be Victoria Arduino. And as you can see, it's really nice and shiny. One of the improved features in this grinder is that it is more silent than the previous models. The burrs have been improved, and as you can see, the LCD small screen where you can actually see the number of cups. It has controls for single or double shots, and it has timers which you can program and adjust. Below this LCD is the spout, which is much nicer, and it has a light where you can see your grind. On top you can see that there is a 1.6 kilograms of coffee that this can hold. And the portafilter also has a hook where you can just leave the portafilter there and it will automatically just be there and you can do something else. So let's get started and let's see how this grinder actually works.
Thanks, Hamad. So let's now do a single cup. As you can see, it's programmed to 3.8 seconds. And we've already done 14 cups. Let's go ahead. All right, as you can see, it's nicely ground. There's no clumps due to the beautiful clump crusher. I bet you didn't hear a thing. That's how silent it is. And yeah, well, it's just tamping and brewing.